Hi, Brad, and everyone over at Service Professor. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, a local digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this video for you, give you some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. Three things I'm going to talk about today: content, citation, and backlinks. So content is not just the words on your website, it's also the pictures, how the pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, etc. So we recommend 1,500 words minimum on any page that you're trying to rank in Google. And so going through here, you do have a significant amount of words. And so I do commend you for that. You got that going for you. Not sure exactly how many, but I would say you're definitely you're in the ballpark there. So just go in, make sure 1,500 minimum is the words that you have, and included in that being buyer intent keywords. Now, that's on any page you're trying to rank. So contact us page, etc. Is not necessary to have that many words. 500 to 750 is what we recommend on any service page that you're not trying to rank. Just remember that content is king in the eyes of Google, and the more you have, the better. You just want to make sure you include it in your pages that you're trying to rank. And then also too, I did right click to save some of these photos you have, and they're saved as just random letterings. And so one thing you can do is go in and save those in a different way to have Google pick the information up on the back end. So a couple of these over here. Typed in, so the next thing is citations. So this is what we like to call map pack. Citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed through various directories. So Facebook, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, things like that. So anywhere on the web in various directories that your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to give you a citation. The more citations you have, the more reputable you seem through Google, and the higher up you're going to be in this map pack for the various buyer intent keywords that you want to be pulled up for. So I typed in air conditioning company, Grand Rapids. We got GR Metro, G Rapids, Jacobson. You guys aren't here. And I went over here and I even typed in HVAC companies, Grand Rapids, because I know you guys do both. Looks like you guys do a lot of different stuff. And again, G Rapids, Jacobson, Grand Rapids HVAC Pros. And then I went over to Kalamazoo because I know Kalamazoo was a service area. And I typed in HVAC Kalamazoo. You guys aren't there. We got Bartholomew, Metzger's, Great Lakes Plumbing. And then I typed in Plumbers Kalamazoo. And you guys aren't here either. Great Lakes Plumbing, Roto-Rooter, Kalamazoo Plumbing. So those are just some examples on places that you're not picking up because I know that you definitely had someone build a website. So those are just four that I found real quick that are areas that you're not pulling up in. But now over to the GMB of your company. A couple things I want to point out. Just first of all, it doesn't look like you guys have any pictures. These may just be the Google drive-by pictures that they got from their little drive-around car. But we recommend 10 photos minimum. So if you could go in when you get a chance, log into your GMB and just add some photos, and that's going to help increase your map pack presence. And just make sure you save those properly, like I said before, because there's a potential to input back end stuff in each of those photos. And then you're definitely well good on your reviews. So you're plenty good on the reviews. So I think if you just add in your pictures, then you'll be on your way to being the number one in all the map pack service areas that you want to choose to be in. And then lastly, we have this is called Ahrefs. This is a tool we use. It's paid for. You're welcome to use it yourself. So this gives a lot of information on your website, but specifically backlinks and also your ratings. So this is your URL and your domain rating, and these are out of 100. So you're at a 3727, and so that's actually better than I've seen today. But you want these to be at a 1-to-1 ratio. So this is 37-27. So you're at about a 2 to 3 ratio. And typically we want to be at a 1 to 1. So if you're at a 37 here, you want a 27 here. And what that goes to show me is that of these 435 backlinks you have from these 114 referring domains, they may not all be relevant backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that your website is listed on the web, and you get a backlink for that. And so you want to make sure that your website is on relevant domains with relevant content and not spammy sites. So just if you get a chance, find out where your backlinks are coming from and make sure that they're from relevant sites. And then another thing I wanted to point out real quick lastly is your keywords. So we got two: HVAC Grand Rapids, Michigan, 100 volume, you're on the 14th position, and then furnace repair Grand Rapids, you're in the 15th position. So those are just two examples of keywords that you guys are not pulling up for. And so I highly suggest doing some research on buyer intent keywords and inputting those into your website so that you come up first in all of Google searches in the areas that you're trying to become the number one in. But I hope that this information finds you well. I hope that it helps you. And if you have any feedback, please feel free to get in touch with us. Otherwise, I hope your 2021 is good. And thanks for watching.